Hello and welcome to Coffee with Carrie. Thank you for stopping by. It's a quick tip and it's going in the playlist Swipe Life. The Swipe Life? What did I call that playlist? I don't know. It's about dating apps. And I wanted to share with you, I was working with a client this week and we were overhauling their dating profile and I took a look. They sent it over to me, their password, and I logged in and I started reading and I was like, oh no, I know why this is not going well. They were doing this thing that you can't do if you want to be successful on the dating apps. Do you know what it is? Stick around, we'll talk about it and I'll tell you. Just a quick reminder, if you are not already subscribed to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. It's free, doesn't cost anything, but it really helps me out with my channel and it allows the algorithm to show my episodes, my videos to people who aren't familiar with me at all, and that really helps me out a lot. So if you would do that, I would appreciate it. So, the dating apps. What is this mistake everybody's making? What was this guy doing? He was writing in the negative. One of the things that was right there at the very top of his profile was, I'm not looking for a hookup. And I thought, why are you telling me what you don't want, right? This is what I see over and over again. People saying what this other person shouldn't be. And you make it about what you don't want. And this is very negative. It brings out a very negative feeling for people who are reading it. If you look through the dating apps tonight, I promise you that when you see that, you will recognize it now. It will jump out at you as, oh yeah, Carrie was right. This comes off as very yuck, right? Why doesn't this person try to sell me on who they are and what they do want or what they have to offer? That would be so much more interesting and much more inviting and enticing. And you know what it would sort of be like at that point? Like an advertisement for the person. So remember that your dating profile is an advertisement for you. And you should have it be very positive. You don't see McDonald's saying, we aren't flame broiled like Burger King. Why would they tell you what they aren't? They're going to tell you what they are. And you know what McDonald's is. They're 2 all-beef patty, special sauce, lettuce, cheese, pickles, onions on a sesame seed bun. That's what McDonald's is. That's what we love about McDonald's. So tell us what you are on your dating profile. Tell us that you are an empty nester who loves to travel and really loves dogs, that you love to give your time to a pet shelter and your happy place is the beach or the mountains, or you like taking vacations that are more adventure oriented. Don't say, I don't like cruises or I don't like museums and churches for vacation. Instead, tell us what you do like. This is your time to shine. This is to be about you and what you want and make us want to meet you. Make this other person think, oh, we have the same interests and seem to maybe share some of the same values. This is a person worth meeting. This person sounds like fun and we have some common interests. That's what you're trying to do to connect with somebody. Connect with them by being positive. It's the positive things that will draw people to you. And once you've got the dating profile all cleared of all negativity and it's a great advertisement for who you are and what you love to do and the things that are important to you, then you've got to take a moment to look around and think about any other ways that you might be putting out negative vibes and be able to switch that up and bring positivity to other areas of your life as well. And then you're well on your way to attracting all kinds of positivity into your life, I believe. Tell me below what you think about this drawing positive things to you by putting out that positivity. Leave me a comment down below. While you're there on my channel, if you would hit that subscribe button and then the ring bell that notifies you every time I upload a new episode, that would be super swell. I appreciate you stopping by today and I will look forward to the next time. And until then, have a good one. Better still, make it a good one.